Ready to know about the top 10 financial metrics that everyone in supply chain and procurement must know? In this video, you will learn about the top financial metric, the meaning, and the calculation. Hi, I am Marcia, and I love the intersection between finance and supply chain. Before diving into today's video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel to know about the intersection between operations and finance to financialize your sales and operations plan. Metric number 1, gross margin. It is a profitability type metric and it shows the ability of the company to generate earnings considering revenue and cost of goods sold or COGS. The calculation is gross profit divided revenue of operations times 100. Metric number 2, operating profit margin. Another metric that is a profitability type metric, and it shows the company's ability to generate earnings considering revenue, cost of goods sold or COGS, and operating expenses or OPEX. The calculation is operating profit divided revenue of operations times 100. Metric number 3, EBITDA. Have you heard about EBITDA before? It is very popular these days. It is a profitability type metric, and many companies use EBITDA for business valuation as well as a proxy for cash. It is earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. And the calculation is operating profit or operating income plus depreciation plus amortization. Metric number 4, ROE. Another profitability type metric. It is return on asset, and the calculation is earnings before interest and taxes or EBIT divided asset times 100. Metric number 5. You are gonna love this one. Inventory turnover ratio. It is an operating performance, efficiency, or activity type metric, and it shows if the inventory is moving and how quickly it is doing so. It can move slowly or it can move fast, and the calculation is cost of goods sold, COGS, divided average inventory. Do you know how to calculate average inventory? I got you covered. Average inventory is beginning inventory plus ending inventory divided by 2. Metric number 6. And you are gonna love this one too. Days sales in inventory. It is an operating performance, activity, or efficiency type metric, and it shows how many days it takes to turn inventory into sales. The calculation is average inventory divided by cost of goods sold or COGS times 365. Metric number 7. Account receivables turnover ratio. This is a operating performance, activity, or efficiency type metric too, and it shows how the company is doing with the customer payment collection in accordance to terms. And the calculation is net sales divided average accounts received. Metric number 8. Accounts payable turnover ratio. This is the other side of the coin. It is also an operating performance, efficiency, or activity type metric, and it shows how fast the company is paying its suppliers and other third parties during a certain period of time. The calculation is the total purchases from suppliers and outside parties divided average accounts payable. Metric number 9. working capital ratio. This is another one that is an operating performance, activity, or efficiency type metric, and it shows the ability of the company to meet its current liabilities, to pay off its current liabilities with its current asset. The calculation is current asset divided current liabilities. Metric number 10, and this is one of my favorite metrics, operating cash flow ratio. It shows the company's ability to pay off its current liabilities, those that are due within a year, with the cash flow, with the inflows generated from its core business, from its core operations. And the calculation is cash flow from operations divided current liabilities. Wow! We have covered the top 10 financial metrics that everyone in supply chain and procurement must know. Now you are ready to crush it. Before you go, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel to know about the intersection between finance and operations, to financialize your sales and operations plan. See you in the next video.